K1 Digital is a Portuguese company committed to providing the full spectrum of services in digital transformation and machine learning solutions. Our offices are located in the Amoreiras Towers in Lisbon, a special place for a special mission. A very experienced, highly qualified and multi-skilled team awaits you. We're here to empower your business by offering solutions and services to use imagology for early detection of neurological diseases, process unstructured data, provide accurate recruitment solutions, use drones and thermal imaging to go further in preventive maintenance, provide your sales force with valuable real-time insights, substantially improve credit scoring. These are only a few examples of how our solutions may transform your life and your business regardless of the field you work in. K1 Digital is a valuable partner to assist you in unleashing the power of your data to its full business extent and potential. We are here to help you go further and take the next step. Empower your business through human-centered artificial intelligence solutions with K1 Digital.